Look, this is the #1 YouTube channel in the world. It has 376 million subscribers and earns over $4 million every month. This is another faceless AI YouTube channel with 260,000 subscribers, earning over $1,000 every month. This is another AI channel based in the US with only 10,000 subscribers, yet it earns over $35,000 every month. And this is a US-based gaming channel, which has only 164,000 subscribers, and this channel earning $6,000 per month. Now let's see some Indian channels' earnings. This Indian channel has only 333,000 subscribers and earns over $1,000. This is a small Indian editing channel with only 50,000 subscribers, and its lifetime earnings are just $408. This is the most popular YouTube tips channel in India, with over 500,000 subscribers. Its lifetime earnings are 20 lakh Indian rupees, which is equivalent to $20,000. From zero.
Those who give you a review sheet, and then those who want you to suffer. You see, when that teacher hands you a
यार मैं हैरान हो गया, मतलब बंदे इतने ज्यादा आए हैं कि पूछो मत भाई साहब, मतलब हर तरफ फायर।
तो हेरो
Be Ronaldo in a 1v1. I'm going to give him $1 million.
दोस्तों आप इस प्रॉपर्टी को देखिए, इटालियन क्लॉक है। ये प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने का मन कर रहा है मेरा। Just kidding guys, ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं ऑलरेडी खरीद चुका हूँ गरीबों।
What's up guys, कैसे आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to another video। तो आज हम लोग दोबारा से खेलने जा रहे हैं ग्रैंड आरपी। ये भाई
Do you want to become a successful YouTuber? If so, this video is for you. These people you see were born into poor families, but they became rich solely through YouTube. They worked hard during their prime time, and that's why they are now enjoying their lives. But what are you doing? Just scrolling through reels all day? You're wasting your time. Sometimes you do surveys on different websites for only $2 to $5, but the real money is in YouTube automation. But in this video, I actually show you how to start YouTube automation right now. Without any skill, camera only using your phone. I know what you're thinking. What is this guy gonna tell me about YouTube automation? Well, let me show you. This channel you're watching right now, I've only been running it for a month, and guess what? It's already gotten over 14,000 impressions. Now, check out my other YouTube channel. In the last 28 days, it's received 186,000 views and has earned over 5,000 rupees, which is more than $50. It's not just YouTube, I also do dropshipping. And guess what? I'm making over $2,000 just from dropshipping. So, I hope you now understand who I am. I'm a YouTuber who's actually making real money, and that's why I'm here, to give you the exact roadmap to become the first millionaire in your bloodline. To start YouTube automation, the first thing we need is a YouTube channel name. You can easily generate some names using AI. There are many AI tools available on the internet, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Meta AI. But I personally recommend using ChatGPT. So let's dive in and see how we can generate some names using ChatGPT. Now, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've provided in the description below. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating unique names for our brand new channel. You can use any name for your dream YouTube channel. Now that we have our YouTube channel name, you might be wondering how to get a logo. Don't worry, we're using AI to generate our YouTube channel logo as well. To generate our YouTube channel logo, we're using one of the most popular free image generators, Leonardo AI. First, click on Launch App, then select Image Generator. Now, paste the prompt to create our logo. I've also included this prompt in the video description for you. Then you'll see Leonardo AI generate some amazing YouTube channel logos for us. Simply download the one you like best. Hey everyone, we've just launched our YouTube channel. But now, the big question is, how do we SEO our channel to make our first video go viral? Let's dive in and see how we can make that happen. Alright, now head over to the website keywordtool.io. Once you're there, enter your video topic, and it will show you the most popular keywords on YouTube related to your topic. Copy those keywords, then go to your YouTube channel dashboard. From there, click on Settings, then Channel, and paste those keywords in the appropriate section. Don't forget to save your changes. Our channel SEO is done. Guys, we now have everything. Now the hardest part is to edit our video. Don't worry you, I will show an easy method. Guys, sorry I cannot voice over here. Just enjoy my editing. And if you need my editing materials, join my Telegram channel. Guys, I hope you like this simple quiz video. You can make it more engaging, adding more sound effects. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this amazing YouTube automation video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our family. And make sure to click on this video right here to watch our next YouTube automation video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.